Good morning, students.
Morning,
Good morning.
Good morning.
Who are you today?
Fine,
Fine.
thank you.
Fine, Mom.
I will call you one by one. Checklist the attendance list. Alfian,
Yes, ma'am.
before I start our lesson today, can you lead your friend to pray, please?
Hello, my friends. Let's pray together.
Finish. Before I start our lesson, I just want to remember you that in my English class, you have to be an active. What we have
Yes, ma'am.
learned on the last meeting. Do you still remember what we have learned on the last meeting?
Text biography.
Do you know what is the social function of biography text? What is the social function of biography text?
To give information about story life.
To give
Someone's
information
story.
about someone's story life.
To be successful in life.
To get motivation to educate the readers. And then, what are the generic structure of biography text? Do you still remember about the generic structure of biography text?
Who? Orientation, who? Event, who?
Event, orientation, event, and
Orientation.
reorientation. What is the information in the orientation?
Tempat tanggal lahir, tokoh yang diceritakan,
What is information in the event?
latar belakang, pendidikan, karir, pekerjaan, keluarga, dan penghargaan.
Good. What is information in the reorientation? Ada apa
Komentar
itu?
tentang penulis.
I will share presentation. Sudah bisa dilihat, anak-anak?
Yes.
The learning objective today to the following learning process by using problem-based learning, the students are expected to be able to analyze the language feature of biography text correctly, and then in the skill, you have to make biography text by using mind map correctly. I will give you an audio about biography of Mr. Bahruddin Yusuf Habibie. Please listen carefully of this audio because I will give you some questions about this audio.
Bahruddin Yusuf Habibie was born on June 25, 1936 in Parepare, South Sulawesi. He is the fourth of 8 children in his family.
After you listen the biography of Mr. Bahruddin Yusuf Habibie, give me some sentence that you have listened.
Ini
Mas
Bu yang
Alfian?
Bahruddin Yusuf Habibie was born on June 25, 1936 in Parepare, South Sulawesi.
Ini loh Bu, ada Bu. And then in 1962, on a home visit to Indonesia, he married Haji Hasri Ainun Basri, a doctor.
Okay, from the two sentences that you have given to me, what is the tenses that used in the biography text? He was born on June. Apa text?
Simple past tense.
Simple past tense. From the two sentences that you have given to me, is the one of language feature of biography text that is simple past tense. Yeah. But we know that there are another language feature of biography text. This is not only simple past tense. What is your assignment today? You have to analyze the language feature, the another language feature. You have to give to me mind mapping that language feature biography text, you have to discuss with your group that I have arranged your group on the last meeting. Apa tugasmu hari ini? Complete the mind mapping of language feature biography text. Give me presentation about your discussion. You can look my presentation about language feature when you are discussing with your friend, or they find the language feature browsing from the Google, browsing in the internet. Silakan mulai untuk dikerjakan. Oke. From the second group, studied aircraft, swimming, reading. Ini mencari action verb ya. Kita diskusi tentang tensesnya dulu, seperti on the second group, Habibie studied aircraft. Kemudian as a child, he likes swimming, reading, singing, and reading his father race horse. And then Habibie joined the aircraft manufacturing. Are you ready to get a presentation? Kelompok pertama, apa kamu sudah siap?
I'm ready.
Oh, ready. Start from the first group. Are you ready to presentation? But before that, tapi sebelumnya, before you will give presentation of your discussion, I will ask you some question related of the biography Mr. Baharudin Yusuf Habibie based on the text that I have shared on your Google Classroom and on your WhatsApp group. Okay, start from the number 1. What was B.J. Habibie interest when he was a child?
As a child, Habibie likes swimming, reading, singing, reading her father race horse, and building model airplane.
Yeah, and then the second, why did people of Indonesia call Mr. B.J. Habibie genius person? Ada yang
Karena bisa bikin pesawat tuh.
Iya, because he can make an airplane. Oh. What happened with Mr. Baharudin Yusuf Habibie in May 1998? Who can answer my question, please?
In March 1998, President Soeharto installed Habibie as Vice President.
Okay. Now, start from the first group.
The language feature of biography text. He was born on June 25 in 1936 in Parepare. Di sini itu simple past tense-nya was, Bu.
Simple past tense yang was. And then?
Lalu father was a government agricultural official.
What is the form of simple past tense?
Lalu his grandfather was a Muslim leader and affluent land owner.
Ya.
Ini juga was, Bu.
This is the presentation from the first group about the language feature of simple past tense. Are you ready? The second group?
Language feature of biography text.
Language
Action
feature. Bangun. Language feature.
Action feature. 1. He married Hasri Ainun Basri. 2. Habibie joined the architect manufacturing. 3. As a child, Habibie likes swimming, reading, singing, reading his father race horse.
He married with Miss Hajah Hasri Ainun Habibie. What is the action verb in the sentence?
Merit.
Merit.
I'm a representative of Group 3. I will present the temporal conjunction of B.J. Habibie's biographical text. Biographical text using temporal conjunction. One of the example is the text is: after graduating with a doctoral degree from the Aachen Institute in 1965, Habibie joined the aircraft manufacturing firm Messerschmitt Volkswagen, rising to the rank of vice president. The temporal conjunction ada di kata after.
Okay, after graduating.
Habibie's interest in building planes continued while he excelled in science and mathematics at the Bandung Institute of Technology. The temporal conjunction ada di kata and. Later, in March 1998, Presidents, the temporal conjunction ada di kata later.
Who will give a presentation from the fourth group? Okay, please turn on your camera. And who want to give presentation?
Feature from the text is specific participant is Mr. B.J. Habibie.
You find the specific participant. Mind mapping of biography text that you have present in your group. The language feature of biography text, the first one is simple past tense. Yeah. Look at my presentation. And then use of simple past tense. Because what? Simple past tense text biography is happen in the past. Tell about the specific participant in the past, ya. And then about the action verb, kata kerja tindakan yang dilakukan oleh tokoh, oleh karakternya. And then about the temporal conjunction and temporal sequence are used in the text because to link sebagai kata hubung between one sentence to another sentence in chronological order. Jadi temporal conjunction digunakan untuk apa? Kata hubung antara satu kalimat dengan kalimat yang lain di penggunaannya yang secara berurutan. And the fourth one, kita fokusnya di specific participant. In biography, the only character is the main center of the text. I give you an example of mind mapping biography text of Mr. Bahrudin Yusuf Habibie. Kemudian dari mind mapping ini nanti you have to make biography text. Mind mapping biography text of Mr. Bahrudin Yusuf Habibie. The orientation, the information in the orientation is background information. You have to write about date of birth. Ya, Habibie was born in Parepare, South Sulawesi. And then in the event, you have to write about his family background. About his wife, his parents, ya. Mr. Bahrudin Yusuf Habibie married with Haja Hasri Ainun Basri on May 12, 1962. What about in the reorientation? You have to write about your comment, your conclusion about the character. From the end of the learning process today, I want to give reflection. Saya ingin memberikan reflection. Ya, oke, coba. What have you learned today about the language
of feature?
About the language feature of biography text. Okay, mention the language feature of biography text that you have learned today. The first one is
Simple present tense.
simple past tense.
Simple past tense, temporal conjunction.
Temporal conjunction. And then the third one,
Action verb.
action verb. Make biography text about your favorite teacher and etc. But before that, you have to make mind mapping first. From the end of the lesson, please, can you lead your friend to end the lesson, please?
Hello my friend, before we close this lessons, let's me pray together.
Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.